All right, I'm going to show you your final lesson for your second week of e-learning. I am going to share this screen. So on Edsby, you are going to scroll down to this main post, click Thursday's lesson. You don't have anything to do on Friday. One second. Make sure you are logged in, as always. Here is your standard and your objective, and then your checklist for today. Write this down in your notebook. You're going to watch and take notes on a video. I don't need your notes for today. You'll have a different activity to submit. You're going to complete the IXL lesson on two-step inequalities, and you need that with a 70 or higher. And then your assignment that I want you to submit today is an inequality one-pager assignment. We'll go over the directions towards the end of the video. So that is what you're submitting to Edsby for today. This is the video you watch and take your notes on. I don't need your notes for today. You have a different assignment to post. Make sure you actually watch those videos, because when you start to do this IXL lesson, it may be kind of hard if you didn't watch the video and learn how to do the questions. So you're going to be solving inequalities and graphing them on this line. You have to be super careful, or you may get a little frustrated. You still need to get that IXL score up to 70 and make sure you are logged in. Your extra assignment for today is an inequalities one-pager. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to write down a definition of a solution set. You're going to say what an inequality is. You're going to give an example of an inequality. So here's my example. You're going to show all of the steps needed to solve your two-step inequality, just like I did. Yours may be like more written in math than words like mine was. And then you're going to have to write a solution set, so those numbers that make your inequality true. So mine was 0, 1, and 2. There are more, but I just picked a couple. And then you're going to have to add some color and pictures to it as well. Don't use my example, this one right here, or you won't get any credit for it. Come up with your own, use a different one from the book or anything like that. This needs to be submitted on your April 9th inequality one-pager location on Edsby. So if you have any questions about that, just message me. You are submitting it to your April 9th inequality one-pager assignment. That is due Sunday, April 12th by 11:45 p.m. So you go back to Edsby, kind of scroll past the main post, and you should see a submit button. It may be somewhere else for you, and that's okay. Just let me know if you can't find it. That is it for the entire week. If on Friday you weren't able to do a lesson from a different day, do it then. If you are kind of wanting some extra work and some extra activities to do, there are all of these optional extension activities on Nearpod as well. They're not going to be extra credit or anything like that. It's just like choice. Genuinely, you want to do these assignments. Yeah, so there's just a bunch of different options, like things we would normally do in class, like climb the ladder, relay races, and things like that, just at your computer. Okay, that is it for the week. Make sure you've submitted everything to Edsby. Make sure you didn't just message it to me, but you actually submitted it to the assignments where they belong. And that is it. Have a good weekend now that you are all done.